We're always going to have disasters, we're always going to have stress in our life, but how do we manage and cope with that to be able to live fully in our lives with all the disasters happening? During the day, you will hear about ways to manage stress and anxiety, listen to the experience of a rural fire service officer, learn where to get financial help if needed, get to know people who are available to talk through any issues you may have, and how to prepare emotionally for a possible disaster. Ultimately, it's about connections. It's about being able to talk to people. It's about people listening to us and validating. We can't change things, but we can manage them better if we're able to talk about things.
There's no substitute for community engagement and community awareness, and certainly being face-to-face to people and hearing the boots on the ground stories of all the good work that the people are doing in supporting people in the region is invaluable.
If you do have the opportunity to talk to someone about things that might still be sitting with you, and for some people they don't even realise it's still sitting with them, it might be triggered by something that was least expected.
These events and things that we pull people together of late, of the last 18 months, have been absolutely game-changing, I think, for communities. And I think that's being able to share your story and to not feel alone.
You shouldn't need courage to speak up. It should be just as easy as, can I get a cappuccino, thanks?